With the passage of time, you can see one thing that the trends of crypto is also changing. As in starting, only coins are there, then tokens, altcoins, secondly, deflationary tokens, and some DeFi tokens take the place of all the altcoins. So in this video, I will share a coin which is decentralized and already listed on many exchanges, and at the end of the video, I will share some price prediction of that very coin, especially for the traders. Any guesses which coin we are going to talk about? It's a hidden gem for 2021. So stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
OVR is a world-scale open-source AR platform powered by Ethereum blockchain. OVR makes it possible for the users provided with a mobile devices, smart glasses to live interactive augmented reality experiences customized in the real world, and OVR token is the utility token of the entire OVR platform. It has its own marketplace, and I will tell you one by one that how OVR platform will work. So starting with the OVR lands. OVR lands are the parcels stored inside a blockchain based ledger that make up the digital layer of subdivision of the planet into hexagons. OVR land token is a non-fungible token NFT based on the ERC 721 standard that also allows the decentralized possession of the digital assets, mainly the OVR lands and OVR experiences. The superimposed on the reality through the eye of a mobile device or a smart glass give life to augmented reality experiences. This is all about OVR lands. And the best part, OVR lands are freely tradable among the users in a decentralized fashion through the use of the marketplace OVR owner. This means that OVR land owners can decide what kind of experience the user will experience once entered in the OVR land. Here you can see right now this token OVR is available on the CoinGecko, and secondly also it is tradable on number of exchanges. Now one by one I will tell you that how you can stake this coin, and secondly how you can make some good amount of profit with this coin. Right now the mobile apps are live, so you can easily download the mobile app, or secondly you have any type of questions regarding the project, you can message the team directly on their social media. Right now we are going towards the marketplace. What is marketplace? That is OVR owner. OVR marketplace is entirely huge. Here you can simply get the profit by staking or by putting the bids using OVR tokens. OVR uses augmented reality, a technology capable of adding different types of content to the surrounding environment, creating the illusions that reality and virtuality live together in the same space. All this in real time and from any device with a camera like smartphones and smart glasses. This innovation makes it possible to trace the elements present in the real world and add other virtual ones. The union between real and digital generates a unique merged experience. The main features, here you can see the entire white paper of the OVR. So the main features and also you can say the main products of the OVR entire platform is OVR ecosystem, OVR lands, marketplace, which I showed you, and OVR lands, buy, sell and rent anything. OVR experience, buy and sell. OVR advertisement, ADV, buy and sell. It means you have number of chances to do so many things with the help of OVR. Now how you can utilize all these things, like for example OVR owner who uses OVR token to buy the digital lands, OVR lands, and anchor an AR experience. OVR creator who creates the 3D digital experiences. OVR miner who activates an OVR node, and OVR user who has the AR experiences. OVR advertiser who uses OVR token to publish sponsored AR elements on the digital lands, and OVR staker who uses the OVR token to stake and vote for IPFS OVR nodes. So here comes the entire supply. You can check each and everything on the contract address of the OVR. And also, if you want to know any type of news regarding the OVR, simply follow them on the Twitter so you can get all the news before the others. Right now, it's the time to talk about the price prediction of the OVR token, how long it will go till the end of March. So, as per my own idea, I'm not saying I'm not a financial advisor. You must have to research all the things before buying anything. Right now, this coin is also available on the MXC exchange. So, as per my own idea, this token will reach up to $2 or $2.25 in maximum next 1 month, 30 to 40 days. What you think about the price idea of the OVR? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.